What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another one. This actually is an unboxing. I went to the gun range Saturday after we, finished doing what we was doing, shooting. We just was out looking at some guns, and I picked it up. There's a whole lot of hype around this gun. And I picked it up, put it in my hand. I said, oh man, I got to have it. So, it's a SIG P365 X macro. With the gun, you get two 20-round mags. A load will come with it to help you load the gun. Little orange chamber indicator. SIG book. You know everything you get with these guns. With this P365, you get two extra back straps. A small and a large, and the medium come on the gun. That's everything that come in the box. Here it is. Nice looking gun. Got the comp. Hold on, let me make sure it's clear. Yeah, you got the comp on the front. It's built in the slide, not the barrel. The barrel is a little further back. Got the optics mount. Come with that. Nice sights. Got a flat trigger. Pretty good trigger too. There's a whole lot of hype around this gun. And you best believe it. It's a flat shooting gun. I like it. I've been carrying it for the last couple of days. I maybe put like 50 rounds through it. I had to double back after we went to the range. Then we went out the range after we was finished for an hour. An hour was up. We was in there for like an hour. We went and looked at some guns. There's a whole lot of guns coming out this year. FN got a 10mm tactical. I think it's called a 510. Then you got the FN got the 45 tactical version. 5. What it is? I forgot what that one called. But they all look like the 509. But one of them 10 mil, one of them 45. Smith & Wesson got a 5.7 coming out. Let's look at the SHOT Show. You finna see a whole lot of guns coming out this year, man. But anyway, so I went out after we finished shooting. We was looking at some guns. I picked it up. I said, yeah, I got to have it. Put it in my hand. What's that? Yeah. So then I asked them, can I go back in there? They gave me a free range. A free range with when I bought the gun, a free range. I have a lane. So we went back in there. I put about 50 rounds through it. I said, yeah, the hype is real behind this gun. A whole lot of people don't like these little subcompact guns, whatever you want to call them. But this is a game changer. "17 rounds, flesh, and this little gun. I get all my fingers get on it. Yeah, this is a nice gun. I'm trying to tell you, it ain't the cheapest gun. It ain't the highest gun. It came up to like it was $8.99. You know they throw hella taxes on these guns, so it came up to like $9.50. Man, I had to have it once I picked it up, cause I carried a 365 empty. Yeah, I actually, when I bought this one, it was the regular 365. I switched the frame up, cause the regular one was 10 rounds, and it was short. You know what I'm saying? It was like way too short. Once I got it, I was like, So I went on Sig and bought another frame, the 365 X XL frame, and you could take all the chassis out the gun, the inside of the gun. This is the firearm. So you just take the chassis out, put it in the frame, put the slide on. So this configuration is actually called the 365X, where you got 12 rounds with a bigger frame. And if you better gripping on the gun. But when I first bought this 365, it was cool, but it was kind of small though, and it was only 10 rounds. 10-round magazine. You see how big of a difference that is? Look at that. That's way too small for me. You put a mag in, and it got that extra little lip. It was okay. And then I bought the 15 round mag sticked out, but they give you the base plates where you can change them, and it was flesh, but I still didn't like the way it looked, so I just went ahead and bought me a frame off Sig, 365X frame, put it on top of there. Then it gave me a full grip on the gun. But yeah, this ain't about this gun, this about this one. But look how they line up. This one's empty. For YouTube, make sure the gun empty. 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 Macro 365. Look how much longer the gun is. The height. Handle longer. So see, they changed the game with the 365 with the curve guns. Cause at first the best curve gun to a whole lot of people was the Glock 26. It was too fat and it only held 10 rounds. Then Smith & Wesson got the Sig, got it on lock. Smith & Wesson came with the M&P 2.0. That's a good gun too, if you like concealed carry guns. But this gun right here, it's gonna be hard to beat this. 17 rounds. You get 17 rounds in a Glock 17 in this little gun. I'm telling you, if you got the money to get one, you will not be disappointed. This is a good gun. You get the nice sights out the box, flat trigger, you get a comp. What else? You got a nice beaver tail on the back so you can get up on it, grip it. Yeah. It's a good gun, man. I'm gonna be carrying this to see it come and set the trend with something else. They've been setting the trends with the curry guns, man. But yeah, it's just an unboxing, man. I ain't gonna make this video too long. I got more to come. I'm going to pick up my Glock 19, my Glock 19 Gen 5. I decked it out, changed the trigger. What else I did? Put the night sights on it. Put a red dot on top of it. The hollow sun. Y'all gonna see it. But yeah, YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.